Hey, yo, what's up?
What's crack-a-lackin'?
Yeah, you read the title, and that's right. I'm about to give you some dope, cool tricks for your iPhone. Yes, sir, yes, sir. I'm talking about security tips that'll make your iPhone way much easier to use. So, enough of me yapping. I'm about to show you how to make it happen. Let's go. Now, if you want the authentic keyboard feel when you're typing text on your iPhone, I got a trick for you. Check this out. Click on Settings, pull down the screen. Now, you're going to see a search bar at the top of the screen right here. Click on that and type in HAP. And at the top of the screen, you're going to see something that says Sounds and Haptics. Tap on that. Now scroll down to where it says Keyboard Feedback, and out of the box it's going to be set to none, but click on that. And there you see two options, the sound and the haptic. Yes, indeed, the sound meaning the clicks from the keyboard, and the haptic meaning the mini vibrations so you can feel it when you type or text. Now enable both of those if you want, but if you just want one of those, whichever one you want, just enable it. It's just that simple. Pretty lit, ain't it? Now this next feature that I'm about to show you guys is an absolute game changer and also a lifesaver, especially for those like myself who do a lot of typos. You might send somebody the wrong message by mistake. Because now in your iPhone, you can delete a sent message. Check this out, y'all. All you gotta do is go to the message, like right here, I'm talking to my boy Cell about our fantasy league in which I'm undefeated in, not to brag or nothing. At the time of this video, all you gotta do to delete a message is long press on the part of the message that you want to delete. Then go down to where it says more, click on that, hit the trash can, and hit delete message. Bam. It's just that simple.
For shizzle.
Now, if you're sick and tired of BS apps bogging down your iPhone and your time, man, check this out. I'm gonna show you guys how to turn that off. Click on Settings, pull down the screen, and type in Track. Now under Advertising, where it says Tracking, click on Tracking. And right there it says Allow apps to request a track. Disable that. It's just that simple. Now you can breathe easier and enjoy your iPhone.
Alrighty then.
Now let's say that you got a brand new Wi-Fi system and you didn't get a chance to set the Wi-Fi passcode yet, but you got guests over and they want to use the Wi-Fi and ask you to get the Wi-Fi code, but you don't know it. Now let me show you how to find out what the Wi-Fi password is so you can go ahead and give them the code. Go to Settings, go to Wi-Fi, tap on the Wi-Fi that you logged into. Now right there where it says password, long press that for a minute. Bam, there's the password.
Lord have mercy.
Okay, the next thing to do is a privacy trick. Now if you got a nosy girlfriend or a nosy boyfriend or just people who like to troll you and open your phone while your eyes are closed in your sleep, check this out. I got something to fix all that. Go to Settings, pull down the screen, and type in Face. Now click on the first selection, Face ID and Attention. And you always want that enabled right there to require your attention for Face ID to work. Because if that's off, man, anybody can hold your phone up to your face and get in your phone. But with that on, nah, no more shenanigans.
Yeah, boy.
You're welcome. Now the next tip that I'm about to show you is an absolute lifesaver. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Especially those who take a lot of screenshots. Because right now on the iPhone, you gotta hold two buttons like this to get a screenshot. And I think that's absolutely stupid.
He ain't lying.
But thanks to BackTap, all that can be alleviated. Check this out. Go to Settings, pull down the screen, and in the search bar, type in Tap. Now the first selection, Touch, you want to touch on that. Then scroll all the way down to the bottom to where it says BackTap. Click that. Now you can set up the tricks, right? Now you see what I did with my double tap selection, right? I set it up to whenever I double tap the back of the phone, I get a screenshot. check this out. Man, with double tap or just the back tap feature, in general, you can do a lot of stuff. It's just crazy. But for me, screenshots, I take a lot of them and I set it up just like that.
Okay!
Now to show you my back tap trick in action, check this out. I'm on Instagram right now and I'm feeling this flyer right here. It's pretty lit, right? All I gotta do is tap it twice. There's a screenshot. It's just that easy.
Church.
And if you wanna see your iPhone's battery percentage instead of the icon, go to settings, scroll down to battery, tap on that, and then on this screen, enable battery percentage. As you can see, the numbers appeared there, and that's all.
Yeah!
Okay, if you're not a fan of the always on display, or you're coming from an older iPhone or whatever, and you want to cut that off, this is how you do it. Now, after you unlock the phone and get to the home screen, press settings, scroll down to where it says display and brightness, click on that, scroll down to where it says always on and disable that. And now, your always on display is off. Pretty cool tips, right? Yes, sir, yes, sir. But man, check this out. If you want to see more iPhone tips or watch more iPhone videos, check these out. They're also high on the litness scale and will help you out. Well, all right, everybody, just remember to get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy.